Garlic Parmesan roasted carrots, quick and easy side dish for Thanksgiving. This one is so simple. When you're going to read the instructions, you're going to be shocked, but you're going to love how they taste. So let's hop into the cook. First step, get that oven, 425 preheat. Then we're going to go ahead and peel our carrots. I know it's not the most glamorous thing to do, and it's kind of boring, but 15 of these bad boys need to be peeled. Do it any way, which way you like, but they got to be peeled. You get all your scraps. I'm going to feed mine to my chickens. So peel and then cut, and then you're going to cut down the center. Make sure you don't cut your hand. And you're going to go in nice little quarter pieces like that. Real simple and easy, especially when they're peeled. And it makes it simple and easy. So cut all 15 of them up. Then we're going to move on to the next step. Let's mix up our carrots. Remember, this is an easy one. We're going to throw this on the baking dish with parchment paper. Real simple. We're going to throw on our oil. We're going to throw on our garlic. We're going to throw on our Parmesan. Going to throw on a little bit more oil because why not? This is our kitchen. We can do whatever we want. Then we're going to throw on our pepper. And I'm just letting you know, if you don't have these electric peppers, these are amazing. The electric grinders. Not sponsored the video or anything. I just love them. Pepper and salt. And then we just spread them out. Mix them all together with your hands. Get in there, get dirty with it. Then start spreading them out because they're going to cook. Make sure they're at level. Get them all mixed in with everything. Let's do a mixture, one more mixture on there because you want all your carrots covered. You want that flavor. If they're not covered, they're not flavored. Getting them all uniform because we're going to roast them. Because remember, it's roasted garlic Parmesan carrots for Thanksgiving. 25 minutes at 425. That's going in on the parchment. Let that sit in there and go. All right, we're gonna mix in our lemon juice. We mix in our parsley and our Parmesan. It's a little warm, so be careful. We got it all nice and mixed up there. Get it all good to go on every little piece. Then we're gonna dish it out for us to eat for Thanksgiving.